friends, my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I will make Dhaba style Paneer Masala. This recipe is very easy to make and taste awesome. It doesn't require any special ingredient. It can be made very quickly, and if you have guests coming over to your house, they will be amazed. So come on, let's get started. For Dhaba style Paneer Masala, we need 250 grams of paneer, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. I am going to marinate the paneer with salt, turmeric powder and chilli powder. Mix them well and this will give the paneer extra flavor. Keep the marinated paneer aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Fry the paneer in 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter for 2 to 3 minutes till the paneer gets a coating of masala all over. Don't fry the paneer for too long, it might get hard. Dry roast 1 tablespoon of besan in a pan for 2 to 3 minutes, but don't let it turn brown. This will be used to thicken the gravy later. For gravy, we need 2 pieces of cinnamon, 3 pieces of red chillies, 1 bay leaf, 4 pieces of cloves, 3 pieces of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dry roast besan, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic crush, 3 to 4 teaspoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 4 grated tomatoes, 3 finely chopped onions and 3/4 cup of water. Heat 4 tablespoon of oil with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add cumin, asafoetida, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, dry red chillies and bay leaf. Fry the spices. Add finely chopped onions. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes till it changes its color. Add salt so that the onion is caramelized. Add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger garlic. Fry it until the ginger and garlic's raw smell goes away. Then add Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. Cook the masala well over medium flame. Add the dry roasted besan and cook till the besan is frothy over the masala. When the besan is cooked well, add the grated tomatoes. The grated tomatoes will give it a dhaba style texture. Cook with the lid closed for 4 to 5 minutes. Add yogurt. If you have thick yogurt or homemade yogurt, you can add any kind of yogurt. Mix the yogurt into the masala for 2-3 minutes until the oil separates. Add 2 green chillies. Crush some kasuri methi in your hand and add to the gravy. Add water to adjust the thickness of the gravy. Cover and cook the gravy for 2 to 3 minutes. Add all the paneer pieces and mix well with the gravy. Cover the gravy and cook for 5 minutes to thicken the gravy. Add cilantro to garnish. Enjoy this delicious recipe with roti, naan or rice. Wow, this Dhaba style Paneer Masala looks so yummy. Please try this recipe at home. And if you're viewing my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please leave a comment below. Bye! See you next time with a new recipe.